morning, team, and welcome to our meeting. So today we're gonna be talking about the how to support the learning and development of a team in our industry. So now I know Miss Shanti is our experienced educator for technology about the integration, and Miss Judy is dedicated to a lifelong learning and professional growth as serving as a role model for our continuous development. And Miss Kim, we all know that she is so effective when it comes to a strong interpersonal skills and how to fostering a positive relationship. Okay, so for today, our team objectives is to develop and implement innovative curriculum materials and teaching strategies, and to provide a professional development opportunities, and how to foster our open communication and to establish and mentoring our coaching programs, and lastly is to create our inclusive and supportive learning environment. So again, welcome everyone. Today we are here to discuss our learning and development needs. Our aim is to understand each team member's evaluations of their own preferences for how learning should be delivered. And Miss Judy, would you like to share your own evaluation of your own performance?
I believe I've been effective in meeting my objectives, particularly in incorporating technology.
Okay, thank you. How about you, Miss Shanti?
I feel that I've been successful in fostering a positive classroom environment.
Okay, thank you. And Miss Kim, how do you evaluate your own performance?
Overall, I'm satisfied with my performance, but I'm seeing my room for improvement in my communications with parents and guardians.
Okay, thank you, Tim. Now, let us proceed to what areas would you like to improve. So let's start with Miss Judy.
I'd like to improve my assessment techniques and explore new methods for engagement students in critical activities.
Great. So what about you, Miss Shanti? What areas do you feel could improve in?
I'm interested in enhancing knowledge of project-based learning approaches and incorporating more hands-on activities.
Great. So Miss Kim, what areas would you like to work on improving it?
I could like to develop my skill in conflict resolution in classroom and management technique.
Okay, thank you. Lastly, let's discuss about our preferences of how learning should be delivered and what are your preferences for professional development. Yes, Miss Judy?
I prefer attending workshops and conferences where I can interact with other educators and learn from their experiences.
Great. So next, Miss Shanti?
I enjoy online courses that allow me to learn at my own pace and explore new topics in depth.
Great. And lastly, Miss Kim, would you mind sharing your views?
I find one-on-one coaching session to be most beneficial for my professional growth, as they provide personalized feedback and support.
Thank you for all your valuable input. We use this information to tailor our learning and development initiatives to better meet the needs of the team. So if anyone has any additional thoughts or suggestions, please feel free to share. So lastly, I would like to share to you our skills and knowledge that I got from some of the resources in internet. So first we have the technology integration, and next is the differentiated instruction, and third is the curriculum development, and fourth is the communication and collaboration, and lastly is the continuous professional development. Okay, so thank you so much for today. Meeting adjourned.
Thank
Thank you.